There.
Alright, so Anna, what does Martin Luther King Day mean to you?
It means to me is remembering about what we fought for a long time.
We all are equal in the sight of God.
Peace, justice, equality.
Okay, the march means bringing together people from diverse cultures, backgrounds, ethnicities, races.
Andre, you know what I'm saying? This march means to me, look, all the black folks getting together, having a good time.
But it's not just black folk, it's everybody.
You know what? It's the diversity crowd around here.
What I see here, we're all. This is a great day for me because I get to march in the Martin Luther King march here in San Antonio, Texas, and the President of the United States is being sworn in today.
Woo! Yeah.
Happy Martin Luther King Day.
Happy Martin Luther King Day.